Hello friends, my name is Ansh. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about science for class 3. Topic: animals, birds. Parts of a bird. Birds have wings and most birds can fly. A bird has 2 feet and 1 beak. Birds do not have teeth. A bird's body and wings are covered with different types of feathers. Beaks of birds. A bird uses its beaks to catch and eat food. It also uses it to feed its young ones, build nests, and clean itself. The type of beak depends on the kind of food the bird eats. Strong, short, and hard beaks. Birds such as sparrows and pigeons have strong, short, and hard beaks to crush and eat nuts and seeds. Strong, sharp, and hooked beak. Birds such as vultures, eagles, and hawks have strong, sharp, and hooked beak to tear and eat flesh. Similarly, a parrot also has a short and hooked beak to crack nuts and peel through tough skins of fruits and eat the pulp. Its beaks also help it to climb trees. Strong, pointed, and chisel-shaped beaks. Some birds, such as woodpeckers and hoopies, have strong, pointed, and chisel-shaped beaks. Woodpecker makes hole in the tree trunk with the help of its beak and pulls out insects to eat. A hoopie uses its beaks to pick up insects from the ground. Broad and flat beaks. Waterbirds such as ducks and geese have broad and flat beaks. These birds take in muddy water along with insects, worms, small fish, and small water plants. They have a comb-like structure in their beaks to drain out the muddy water. Broad, long, and sharp-edged beaks. Fish-eating birds such as pelicans catch fish, frogs, and crabs with their broad, long, and sharp-edged beaks. Long and pointed beaks. Hummingbirds and sunbirds have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from flowers. Feet of birds. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each ending in a claw. They catch and hold their food with their feet and claws. Claws help the bird to climb, walk, and sit on branches of trees. Perching birds, such as crows and parrots, have feet with 3 toes pointing forward and one backward. This enables them to perch on thin branches and twigs easily and tightly. Water birds, such as pelicans and ducks, have their front toes joined by a layer of skin. Such type of feet are called webbed feet. These birds swim forward by pushing the water with their webbed feet. Climbing birds, such as woodpeckers, can climb tree trunks with their feet that have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. Scratching birds, such as hens, have sharp and strong claws to dig the ground for food, such as seeds and worms. Wading birds, such as herons and cranes, walk through shallow water using their long legs and widely spread out toes. This is called wading. Flesh-eating birds, such as eagles and owls, have very sharp claws called talons to pick up small animals such as rats and mice. Feathers of birds. All birds have their body covered with feathers. This makes them look different from the rest of the animals. Feathers of birds are of the following 3 types. Down feathers. These are the fluffy feathers located close to the bird's skin. These feathers are soft and short. They help to keep our body warm. A nestling has a lot of down feathers, body feathers. These feathers are present over the down feathers. They cover the whole body and give shape to the bird's body. Flight feathers. These feathers are mostly present on the wings and tail of the bird. They help the bird to fly and change direction. How birds fly. The wings of the birds are attached to their body with the help of strong muscles. Birds use these muscles to move their wings. While flying, a bird flaps its wings upward and downwards. The upward movement of the wings is called upstroke and the downward movement of the wings is called downstroke. A bird uses its tails to change the direction of the flight. The birds that cannot fly are called flightless or running birds. Emus and ostriches are examples of flightless birds. Food habits of birds. Birds eat different types of food. They eat insects, seeds, nuts, grains, and fruits. Birds such as eagles and vultures eat the flesh of other animals. Hummingbirds suck nectar from flowers with the help of their long beaks. Pelicans, penguins, and kingfishers eat fish. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to break and crush food into small pieces. Nest of birds. Birds build nests using leaves, cotton, thread, wool, twigs. Birds take care to build their nests in places safe from danger and bad weather. We can see birds' nests on terraces of buildings and even on ceiling fans. Birds lay eggs in their nest. A tailor bird uses its beaks like a needle to sew leaves together to build a nest. It also uses materials such as threads and wools to sew the leaves. A tailor bird uses its beaks like a needle to sew leaves together to build a nest. It also uses materials such as threads and wools to sew the leaves. Weaver bird uses its beaks to weave pieces of twigs, grass, and leaves to build a nest. The nest has an opening through which the bird enters. A woodpecker uses its beaks to peck into the tree trunk and make hole for a nest. It uses this hole as a nest and lines it with fine strips of wood. Penguins live in very cold places, as it is difficult to find twigs, grass, and straws. Penguins collect stones called pebbles and make their nests on the ground. Sparrows, bulbuls, and hummingbirds make cup-shaped nests. This is the most common type of nest. These nests protect the eggs and the baby birds and keeps them from falling off. Some special features of birds. Ostrich, emus, and penguins are birds that cannot fly. Ostrich is the largest bird. It lays the largest egg. A cuckoo does not build a nest. It lays its egg in the nest of other birds. Parrots can imitate our voice and talk like us. Pigeons can fly for long distances. Because of this, they were earlier used to carry letters and messages to far away places. Pigeons mostly live near human homes, usually in the nooks and corners of the roof. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has beautiful feathers. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It can even fly backwards. Many birds fly long distances for food, shelter, and to escape unfavorable weather conditions. This is called migrations. Owls cannot swivel their eyes. They can move their heads completely around to see straight behind them. Parental care in birds. After the eggs are laid, one of the parents sits on it to keep it warm. The chick grows inside and the egg hatches after some days. In most birds, both parents look after the chicks, feed them, and also protect them from danger. Caring for birds and animals. Like animals, birds also need to be looked after, especially during hot summer months. Placing bird baths in open places around our houses and gardens are one of the ways in helping thirsty birds. Bird baths are small shallow containers containing water. Birds drink water, bathe and cool themselves in these bird baths. Along with bird baths, we should also place trays containing seeds to feed hungry birds. Such trays are called bird feeders. You should take care of your pet in following ways. Feed your pet regularly. Clean and bathe your pet. Keep their home clean. Do not be cruel to animals. Never hit them. Take them to a vet if they are sick. Exercise 1. Name the following. Question number 1. Three common birds that we see in cities. Answer. Crow, sparrow, pigeon. Question number 2. A bird's body and wings are covered with these. The answer is feathers. Question number 3. A bird that has strong, sharp and hooked beak to tear and eat flesh. The answer is eagle, vulture, hawks. Question number 4. A water bird that eats worms from muddy water. The answer is pelicans. Exercise 2. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. A strong, pointed and chisel-shaped beak is present in. The answer is option D, woodpecker. Question number 2. The beak of a hummingbird is. The answer is option A, long and pointed. Question number 3. Birds have. The answer is four toes. Question number 4. A duck has. The answer is option C, webbed feet. Question number 5. A is a fish-eating bird. The answer is option D, penguin. Exercise 3. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The feathers give shape to the bird's body. The answer is body. Question number 2. Herons and cranes walk through water using their long legs. The answer is shallow. Question number 3. Hummingbirds and sunbirds have a beak to suck nectar from flowers. The answer is long and pointed. Question number 4. Hens are. Birds. The answer is scratching. Question number 5. The penguins collect to make their nests on the ground. The answer is stones and pebbles. Thanks for watching.